Want a tech logo that actually looks like a real brand? Let's build one in just 5 minutes. First step, open a blank canvas the size of the logo that Canva has provided. After that, we can start creating the main part of the logo, which is the letter S monogram. Go to the Elements menu, grab the square shape. Next, adjust the height and width to make it a rectangle, measuring 190 by 83 pixels. After that, we tilt the position to the right to 102 degrees. We can slide this up a bit. Now, duplicate this rectangle into two, then we place it next to the bottom like this. Make sure the slices of these two rectangles are the same size as the width of the rectangle itself. This is important for a well-proportioned logo. You can use a tool like this to make sure if it's right. Now set this square so that its size is 252 by 196 pixels, then rotate it to 57 degrees. Next, move the largest square layer to the very back. After that, change its color to green with color code 73F301. Then position it in the center like this. If so, now we click corner to make each corner of the square curved. We just use size 20. For the square that forms the letter S, we can change the color to white. Please adjust all the elements to make them look more precise with each other. If so, don't forget to group all the elements. This step is useful so that when we want to shift the logo as a whole, all elements will shift with a fixed position. We can enlarge the size of this S monogram, then choose Download. If it has been downloaded, we can drag the canvas to the left to create a new canvas. Next, upload the download to Canva. Then click to insert it into the design canvas. After that, we can click BG Remover to remove the background on the logo. Why do we have to go through the download, upload, remove background step? Because without this step, the S monogram is difficult to place together with the next part of the logo. Before we move on to the next part, reduce the size of the S monogram, placed on the left side of the canvas center like this. Next, we will focus on creating the logo text. Click the text menu, select Add Heading, type Martech as a continuation of Smartech. We can change the font type to Nor'Wester. We can change the capital M to lowercase only because the initial letter in this logo is the letter S. If so, now we set the text color to blue with color code 00455C. Next, move the logo text layer to the back. Now adjust the size and position of the S monogram so that it looks proportional. Finally, we can go to the Elements menu. Look for elements that can add value to the brand we are creating. Since the theme of our logo is technology, we can add a circuit element like this to the logo. We flip its position horizontally and place it on the bottom right like this. Next, change the color to green with color code 389180. Okay, now just tidy up the parts that are not symmetrical. Grouping all logo elements. And is done. And that's your SmartTech logo, clean, fast, and powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more logo design hacks using Canva Android. See you in the next design.